First, open any web browser like Chrome or Firefox. In the search bar, type arduino.cc and press enter. This is the official website of Arduino. Now go to the product, then software or download section. The website might look a little different from time to time, but don't worry, there is always a software tab where you can download the Arduino IDE. Choose the version that works for your computer. I am using Windows 10, so I clicked on that. Next, you will see the page asking for donation. That's okay. You can just click on just download to continue. The download will start and you will see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it finishes, double click on the file to open it. Now, follow the step on the screen. Now, follow the step on the screen. First, read and accept the rules, then keep clicking next to continue. You can install it in the place it chooses by default. The installation might take a little time, so just relax and wait. Once it finishes, you will see a shortcut on your desktop that says Arduino IDE. Double click on it to open the program. When it opens, you will see big white space in the middle. That's where we will write our code. At the bottom, there are buttons like verify, upload, and save. Don't worry, we will learn what they do step by step.